Looking for the best oxidation remover that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best oxidation remover that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Meguiar's Oxidation Remover. This marine and RV compound is an excellent restoration solution for bringing faded fiberglass and gel coat surfaces back to life. Its advanced diminishing abrasive formula effectively removes oxidation, light scratches, water spots, stains, and surface imperfections without causing unnecessary damage to the finish. As the abrasives break down during use, the polishing oils enhance color depth, restore gloss, and leave behind a rich, showroom-quality shine that makes older boats and RVs look noticeably refreshed. The versatile formula performs equally well whether applied by hand for detailed work or with a dual-action polisher for faster coverage, while also supporting rotary buffer use when heavier correction is required. Despite its strong cutting ability, it remains gentle enough to preserve the integrity of fiberglass and gel coat surfaces. Backed by Meguiar's decades of detailing expertise, this compound offers professional-grade performance, making it an outstanding choice for maintaining the appearance and value of marine and recreational vehicles. Next up is Star Bright Oxidation Remover. This fiberglass paste wax is a reliable finishing product designed to restore, protect, and preserve the appearance of boats, RVs, and other fiberglass surfaces. Its advanced formula effectively removes medium to heavy oxidation, reviving faded finishes and restoring their original color and clarity with minimal effort. Beyond surface restoration, it creates a durable protective layer that resists stains, shields against damaging UV rays, and helps reduce future weathering, making it ideal for long-term maintenance. Specifically formulated for colored fiberglass hulls, it enhances depth and delivers a rich, glossy finish that lasts well beyond the initial application. The versatile formula can be applied either by hand or with a buffer, allowing both DIY users and professionals to achieve excellent results. Regular use helps maintain a smooth, polished surface while protecting your investment from harsh environmental conditions. Overall, it provides an outstanding balance of restoration, lasting protection, and brilliant shine for marine and automotive fiberglass finishes. Coming in at number 3 is Vexus Oxidation Remover. This oxidation remover is a highly effective paint restoration solution that delivers professional quality results without the need for specialized equipment. Its advanced, non-abrasive formula penetrates deep into oxidized paint to eliminate fading, water spots, and embedded contaminants while safely preserving clear coats, ceramic coatings, and paint protection film. In addition to restoring rich color and gloss, it effectively minimizes swirl marks, light scratches, mineral deposits, tree sap, bird droppings, and other everyday imperfections, making it a versatile all-in-one detailing product. The concentrated 500 ml formula offers exceptional value, providing enough product for multiple full vehicle treatments or numerous spot corrections, making it suitable for both enthusiasts and professional detailers. Application is simple and beginner-friendly, requiring only a foam applicator and microfiber towel to achieve a smooth, glossy finish in a short amount of time. Overall, it combines ease of use, long-lasting value, and impressive restoration performance, making it an excellent choice for maintaining a vehicle's showroom-quality appearance. Now number 4, Chemical Guys Oxidation Remover. The Chemical Guys C4 and P4 paint correction combo is an excellent two-step detailing system designed to restore dull, damaged paint and achieve a professional-grade finish at home. The C4 clear-cut compound efficiently removes scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, towel marks, and other surface imperfections while leveling the paint for the next stage of correction. Following up with the P4 Precision Polish refines the surface by eliminating micromarring, dramatically enhancing color depth, gloss, and overall clarity to produce a smooth, mirror-like shine. Suitable for clear coat, single-stage, and ceramic-coated finishes, this versatile kit works effectively whether applied by hand, dual-action polisher, or rotary machine, making it ideal for beginners and experienced detailers alike. The formulas are engineered to deliver fast correction without excessive dusting, helping users achieve body shop quality results with minimal effort. Overall, this combo offers exceptional performance, restoring paint to a vibrant, showroom-worthy appearance while simplifying the paint correction process. And finally, our last pick is Mother's Oxidation Remover. This trim restoration product is an excellent solution for reviving faded exterior plastic, rubber, and vinyl components while providing long-lasting protection against future damage. Its advanced formula effectively removes light oxidation, chalkiness, and dull surface film, restoring deep, rich color that dramatically improves the appearance of weathered trim. Beyond enhancing aesthetics, it creates a durable protective barrier that helps defend against harmful UV rays, smog, ozone, water, chemicals, and other environmental contaminants that contribute to fading and deterioration. The easy hand application process allows for precise coverage without requiring specialized tools, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced detailers. Designed for use on virtually any unpainted exterior plastic, rubber, or vinyl surface, it delivers consistent, professional-looking results while helping preserve the original finish over time. Combining proven restoration technology, simple application, and reliable protection, this product is a smart investment for keeping a vehicle's exterior trim looking clean, vibrant, and well-maintained. So those were the top 5 best oxidation remover you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.